Yes, people, so we have some plantain tree right here. You know, them small and fall down and thing. Some of them fall down a beer and we reap and down here. So what I do, I get them dig out and clean the spot and replant, you know. Save and pine tree here. We have a young pine. You don't want to disturb that. Yeah, that not disturb. So what us dig out the plant them and replant them so foul manure and thing. See one day there so one maybe see them see them read them that the video before now. Yeah. And there's some cane right here, so one clean up and thing and sort them out. Yeah. And we have a little what call it again? Soon to your name guys, cinnamon leaf tree. So it's a cinnamon tree guys. It's a cinnamon tree, a young cinnamon tree. You say leaf then look like cinnamon leaf. Yeah man. It's a young cinnamon tree. So I'm not go disturb that either. Not go disturb that either. And this arrowroot tree, more someone of make some porridge. A long time I don't drink it, years. I drink it about one time in my lifetime, so I kinda want to taste it again, curious. I want to taste it. So that tree here seems to have an arrowroot. Alright, see one here. This is one. See broke. It means guys that's a mission. Mission have to cut down them tree here, get spot clean up and dig them out and sort them out. And see the 4 manure here guys. You know, one drum, it's about a bag or so. One of them feeding bag there, or maybe bag and a little bit. You don't know, 4 manure, yeah, goat manure, rat bat, cow, all them there, rabbit, all them that are good manure, you know. Yeah man. So you don't know, you have some chicken and coop, so just take out this now so they match up and planting. They get out this planting tree. So peeps, everything they go to now. Only the one day might stay. And just throw some manure around it. Yeah, might want to stay. So might get the plantain, sucker them now, clean up and thing, and prepare the plant. So might do that. I'm gonna see what Gwaan. The cane is my last thing I do with. You know, so I can throw some manure upon them, kind of mulch them up away. Just mold them up and throw some manure upon them and just give them some water and that's it. No more now to them. Peeps. As you know, it's one palm tree, right? It's a green part here. Inside there you can eat. You just steam it with your saltfish and your season. Yeah man, so one day I get one and break me gonna see what Gwaan. And also taste it because I never tasted before, so that'll be first time. Yeah man, so I get one palm tree one day and do the show now. Because it's young, just shoot, so I get the next 5 and like 3 months maybe and it will be ready. So it's a small baby pineapple.
Oh, there's one more over here. Why no?
Yeah,
Oh, that's another one.
no, this is a pineapple tree, but it don't have any inside of it. Only one.
Three.
Mhm.
And this one.
Well, alright guys, some of them are from Bora, so they never cut out, you know.
That's two, I think. That look, but the other one didn't like grow. What's the ball doing? Just what the ball doing? Cleaning off the roots.
Alright guys, so them here done clean already, so these are 5, you know. So them are done clean already. So there's some more right here, so I might dig it, so I just get them clean up, prepare, and tomorrow no me dig hole and plant them because I go on. So I do all I clean up from today. And tomorrow now we'll just digging and planting. Yeah man. And we have the tree here, the pear tree here, I grew to light wire, so more tight and jet up an almond tree there. Yeah man. Alright peeps, so this is one of the pine tree, the plantain sucker. We have to clean it, we have the borer. Yeah man, so look insect. So if we don't cut out this now, the plantain tree now come. You see me, it has come Morgan, wishy-washy like before from cut them down. So we want to get them clean up, cut off the borer them and all that. Yeah, they will plant them. So that now we have good berries and some nice healthy plantings and can bear some nice healthy planting, you know? Yeah. Alright, so this is the young planting. So I see we can find something and deal with it, so I'm not have to waste it. It's not really comfortable because you know the tree is small, as you see. So I never really plant good either, like up on the top of the surface. So find something and deal with the same. You can't make it waste, you know. Yeah. I have one by foot I'm gonna roast up. You know guys. Yeah man, make it roast fast or so. So that burn out, you just don't know say all I do, I just soak. Yeah man. And so we have the whole them dig ready for planting and start dropping already. Yeah man. So time for us to get them straightened up and cover the hole and show the manure and thing. Yeah. So I'll get that done now. And clean the cane them. Get them manure to and thing, you know. And start water them so they can come up nicely. Yeah man. But no, maybe, or someone maybe wonder why I do it so, why I never make the money straight, right? So the money guys, the money about new tree, you see me? So, right is right now time, you know, and like fresh tree are burst up, you see me? Yeah man. So, I said the money I planned. Because the one here, the one nice, okay? That's why I'm gonna cut it out. Well, some people cut it out, but make the one go and stay. And the one there. So, back at the manure now, throw it, run the root, and just kind of mold up the root and thing. Use the dirt and hide the manure, yeah. And throw some of the grass them running the root, so the root can keep moist and all that. So your sun and support all of the moisture from the root. Yeah man. So that's what I do with them. And so if people on fire go and do a thing, so I'm going to go for manure now. Alright, piece of cashew bark. Then on cashew bark and we sauce up leaf. So I'll get them wash up in it. Good nice too. This now good for you. I don't know the sauce up leaf good for you, the cinnamon leaf good for you, everything good for you. I don't have much ingredients like all Irish mash and strong back on them thing there. So this new plan. I just get our the green plantain, the young green plantain, and say boy, I now waste it. So just do something with it, you know. Yeah man, instead of waste it, but just do this with it and thing. Get it flatten, wash off and thing. Welcome again with these. Welcome to the channel. Well, my intro now, right? Kinda late, but when it's all going to be there already, so I'm really happy to explain what I'm going already, see me? So I'm gonna say if you're new to the channel, just leave a subscribe, you know. For a long time, thankful support same man. For the first time, thankful support same way, you know. Remember guys, give it a like, a share, leave a comment and subscribe, you know. Yeah man, also watch us guys to make a revenue, so stay tuned and watch the full video. Yeah man, that is it. So I'm gonna take it off, make it cool, stir it and see. Guys, so I get this thing stirring up now. So I'll get this half out now. Roads. Yeah, so we have a mixed spice here guys, and same thing here, you know. So I sweeten up with the betty milk. We have some coconut flavored tin milk. Well the label removed from it, but this guys are the tin milk. See at the betty milk, the condensed milk, but the one here are the coconut flavored one. Right? So I get the thing sweetened now and keep it cool, put in my fridge, cause I kind of warm same, you know. Then put in the fridge. So let's get started now.